What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here with MGM Classic Cars.com, Addison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1971 Chevrolet Nova. Really nice car. It was just recently restored. Dual exhaust, big block. Yanko stripes on it. It's a sort of a Yanko tribute. Just looks excellent and sounds great, as you can hear it. Here's your big block. Got aluminum radiator, dual electric fans, nice cam in there, 4-barrel intake manifold, HEI, distributor. It sounds great and runs great. Power disc brakes, power steering. Just a fun car. As you can see, everything was redone and it was done really well. I'm gonna go ahead and close the hood. Hood closes nice. You got those vents on the hood. Appeals really nicely. Nice chrome wheels. Interior is in great shape. Get in this car and give it a rev. As you could hear, it sounds great. Out here on the inside, you got column shift, 3-spoke comfort grip steering wheel. Your horn is under here. Your door panel's really nice. You got that wood grain in the middle. Headliner is in great shape. Bench seats with a nice orange houndstooth insert, which I think looks wonderful. Really nice. And stock appearing. You got some gauges there. Radio delete. Your door jambs are in great shape. Go over to the trunk. Doors close nicely and they line up great. Come over here to the trunk, all redone. Splatter paint, done really nice. Really nice. Nothing to see much back here, but they did a good job. Closes nicely, lines up great. The chrome on this car is in great shape. It shines really nice. Your glass, great shape. Everything's in really good shape in this car. Door jambs again. Whoever did this car took their time and they cared how it came out, and they did a great job. Get underneath there. 12-bolt rear end. It just looks great. Somebody come get this thing before it's gone. It's not gonna last long, that's for sure. Body lines up great. The glass is in good shape, runs good. Chrome is nice. Overall, really nice car. If you are interested in this car, you may call 847-848-1850. Again, that's 847-848-1850. We are located in Addison, Illinois. We have around 250 cars in our stock. We also have shipping all over the United States. And special financing for these classic cars. Our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only. check out the website, mgmclassiccars.com, to see all of the inventory. And stay tuned because we get new cars in almost daily and you're not going to want to miss a thing. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and it's been a pleasure showing you this 1971 Chevrolet Nova. Hope to see you guys here at MGM Classic Car buying one of your classic dream cars, because they look really nice here, but they'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Have a great day, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned. Bye-bye.